100% focused in my prime, I think I'll beat Floyd. Well, Floyd really, he's very mentally tough. Very mentally tough. You know, I would cut him off. I would use my jab. A lot of people don't, like, even the Oscar De La Hoya fight. Oscar De La Hoya should use his jab a lot more. I would use my jab, throw combinations. I work the body and then work the head. Because a lot of people, they go to the head and then work the body, but they go for the head and then you can't hit them in the head. And then, you know, you can't hit them in the head. So I work the body and work the head and then just try to break them down physically, because I know it's not breaking down mentally. He's just one of those top fighters, just like Sean Porter. You're not going to break him down mentally. You can break him down physically, but mentally he's always going to be there. So I would just try to, you know, break him down physically.
Being in the ring with Floyd, he's just very smart. You got to stay on your toes. He's always thinking, you know, always trying to find, you know, your weak points. He's just a smart fighter, and, you know, he takes you to another level when you spar him.
You know, he gave Floyd some great work.
And there was a lot of rumors about that. He gave Floyd a black eye.
No. That's not even about that. And real cats don't discuss, you know, what goes on, you know, like the details in camp. He's a tremendous fighter. He gave Floyd some of the best work that he's had. And it's like you gotta think when you fight him. But he puts mental pressure on you that it forces you to make a lot of mistakes. It forces you to make a lot of mistakes because he's not gonna go overboard with certain things. He just does every single thing. And it's hard to be the guy with a good jab, with good sound fundamentals. He's in great shape for 12 rounds, and he's looking to punish you. You know.
Oh, Floyd's just smart, man. Just, I mean, like, you can always say he's thinking, like, and you can't take any time off. Like, he's always thinking. He's always in target to land a punch. You know, he's always looking. Like, you throwing at him, he's always slipping. He's still looking at you. You know, he's never turning away looking at you. He's just, his cat-like reflex, too. I mean, everything, he just put everything together. It's just, I mean, dude, perfect.